Hey guys, what's going on? Serrano here. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Vankyo S05A wireless earbuds with Qualcomm APTX. So if that sounds like something that interests you, stay locked in with me and we're going to go into more detail. We're going to do not a battery test, but we're going to do a fit test, latency test. We're gonna test out all the features on these earbuds and see if they're worth it for the money. But if you're new, like always, feel free to join the crew, get notified for more videos just like this. And let's take a look at these earbuds right here from Vankyo. Okay guys, so the first thing I want to do is first take a look at the price and overall specs for the Vankyo S05A Bluetooth earbuds. So we're getting CVC 8.0 noise cancellation. We also are getting deep bass, which is expressed here as well as IPX7, which is going to be able to endure heavy splashes of rain, superior sound quality, instant pairing, type C as well, 7 hours of battery life and 30 hours with the case included. So that's pretty cool. They're only $49 guys, so let's check these out in a little bit more detail. My brother made this for me. He was cutting out a shank, and so it actually does cut, which is kind of cool. So let's cut this side right here. Leading Qualcomm CVC technology, impeccable APTX audio experience, one-step pairing, hyper long connection distance, long-lasting battery life, undirected Type-C interface, and ultra-thin charging case. Then on this side, you do get move as you would like. So that's a cool kind of like slogan that they have going there. All right, so right away you can see the Vankyo earbud case right here with the accessory pouch. Let's take out the Vankyo case and kind of see how that is as well. So that's really nice. You're getting a really nice, stylish, really smooth. I like how they have this aerodynamic look to it. It's like really carven. It's a plastic material, but it doesn't feel cheap whatsoever. Kind of feels like a matte material mixed with glossy because it's not too shiny, but you do see the Type-C charging on the back, which I do love. From here on out in 2020, all earbuds should have that, but right here you can see LED lights, 5 of them for the charging indication. And then when I raise the lid, you can see that we do have lights right here, plus a button right here which will charge them when you press that button. So you can see it turned red on there. So I'm gonna put this to the side and you can see it's charging as we speak. That's a really nice case. It does fit in the hand really nice, and when you compare it to other cases like the Let's Fit for $20, you could see it's quite bigger than the Let's Fit earbud case. Or if you compare it to something like my syllables, the syllables is a lot more compact with the case, but you can see this one has a different design than I'm ever used to seeing before, which is kind of cool, but we're gonna look into that in some more detail. Let's take the accessory box out as well as the user manual. And in the user manual, it's gonna give you all your instructions that you need to look at. Contact info, so if you wanted to reach out to Vankyo, you do have that option. So I just really appreciate Vankyo. And then you get this option here, which is wearing the earbuds, fit the earbud in your ear, insert gently, and you can see how you can replace the tips as well, and pairing instructions. So all of that is there. See what kind of accessories we have in here, because I think that would be cool to see, interesting to see what kind of accessories they do offer. So these are your standard ear tips right here, as you can see, nothing too special. If you need to replace the earbuds, you can do so, and then you get your Type-C cable as well. Okay guys, so let's just take these out of the case and see how they look for the very first time. Okay, so that has a nice hook on it, which is pretty flexible. You can see here it has a nice silicone powdery feel, so it's not gonna irritate your ear because it has that powder feel to it. It's like a matte black powdery feel. Then you get your Vanko branding. This seems to be a touch button. It's not a physical button. And then you have your silicone ear tip as well as your 3-pin charging hook case, charging pins. The right is indicated here as well. So let's just see how this will pair up to the smart device. This is the option. You just click that one and it should just pair, and all you would have to do is press this button, and you could take this one out as well. And they are 100% right now, so I definitely think that's cool. So I'm gonna put these in and show you how they fit in my ears as well. So the overall fit in the ear for the Vanko S05A wireless earbuds was really nice because it had that really soft silicone powdery hook which didn't clamp onto the top of your ear, and it didn't cause any discomfort because it was really soft and malleable, meaning it would move wherever the earbud would move, basically, meaning it was just locked in, except for if you hit it from the back like as you see here. But they had a really nice fit, and after about an hour of using them of time, I still was able to have no discomfort, which was pretty cool. I also did notice that if you held for 2 seconds straight, it would constantly go up or down depending on what earbud you touched, and if you double tapped you could switch songs as well. So that was actually pretty cool. The touch controls were really nice on these earbuds, and overall the sound quality was something that I was really impressed with as well, because it had the Qualcomm aptX. So when I was outdoors in loud environments, I could actually hear the sound quality really well, and it didn't get muffled or distorted when I was like outside or anything. But the main thing that you want to do is get a tip that is comfortable for your own preference. For me, it was the biggest one, and once I did that, I was able to lock in as much bass as possible to get the most desired effect for my own sound preference as well. But I like that you can use each ear pretty much independently from what I could see, and the ultra thin case was easy to open with one hand, so it didn't matter if you were just like using it with one hand to pair. It was really simple to set up when you were on the go. So a lot of earphones are like really hard to get connected. These ones have that one-step pairing process, which makes them really easy to get connected on a long commute. 7 hours of battery with 30 hours extra with the case, which is really cool. But I definitely would recommend the Vanko earbuds from Vanko, and big shout out to them for sending these out for a test review. The S05A wireless earbuds will be in the link down below. But if you did find this helpful, make sure you hit the bell icon, show your support and appreciation, and I'll see you guys later.